Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You need the essentials: an iPad on the same Wi-Fi as an Airprint-capable printer. First, open Settings and confirm Wi-Fi network. This ensures discovery. Once done, check the printer's display or app to verify Airprint is enabled and the device is awake. Make sure both devices are on the same 2, 4 or 5 GHz network. Different guest networks block discovery. This step prevents connection failures and speeds up the next actions. Now open the app containing what you want to print and tap Share or the menu, then choose Print. This invokes Airprint. You'll see Printer, tap it to scan and select your Airprint device. It appears automatically when discovery works. Adjust options like copies, page range, or two-sided printing to save paper. Once configured, tap Print, the job queues on the iPad and the printer receives raw Airprint data. If it hangs, wait a few seconds for discovery to finish. After sending the job, swipe up to access the app switcher or open the Print Center to monitor the queue. This confirms delivery and lets you cancel. If printing fails, restart the printer, router, and iPad in that order. This clears transient network issues. Make sure the router's client isolation or guest mode isn't blocking device discovery. Disabling that restores Airprint visibility. One key tip: try connecting both devices to the same SSID.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.